Today we're looking at a 2013 certified Honda Accord LX. It's got 73,000 miles on it. It's got a clean Carfax 2-owner. It's alabaster silver metallic in color. We'll go ahead and walk around the vehicle with you. Start here on the driver's side. Everything's in good shape here. Just a few little small scratches right here on the door. Another little small scratch right there. All right, just a few scratches on the driver's door. Everything else is in good shape. It does have 73,000 miles on it. Rear backup camera. Passenger side of the vehicle is in great shape. All right, let's go ahead and take a look on the inside. The black on black door panels. Power windows, power locks, power mirrors. It does have black cloth seating. Driver's seat's in good shape. Just a little bit of rub right down through here on the seat. Okay, real minor stuff there. A vehicle with 73,000 miles, you kind of expect it to have a little scratch here, scratch there. Okay, but it will be competitively priced, all right, and it will be fairly priced. It does have the keyless entry key fob. Passenger seat cloth looks good. All right, no problems there. It is an automatic. It's got your dual climate controls, AM, FM, CD player. All right, it'll have your display screen right there with the backup camera, and we'll show you that in a second. It does have steering wheel audio controls and Bluetooth. It does have your Econ button there. Let's go ahead and take a look at the mileage. Okay, it's got 73,306 miles on it. Now that we got it started up, go ahead and show your home screen there. Go ahead and engage the backup camera. All right, AC's blowing cold, no problem there. There's your AM, FM, CD player, and of course your dual climate controls. Let's go ahead and take a look in the back seat. Door panel looks good. Back seat carpet's in good shape. Back seat cloth looks good. No problems. Center console comes down. Got your cup holders there. I'll give you the driver's eye view of the dash and the layout. All right, let's go ahead and check your trunk space. Carpet back here looks good. Plenty of room. Does have your spare tire back here. Let's go ahead and take a look at the wheels and tires. 16-inch alloys. Tires are still in good shape. All right, once again, it's a 2013 certified Honda Accord LX. 73,000 miles on it. It's got a clean Carfax 2-owner. It does have a scratch here and there, but that's to be expected with a vehicle with this many miles, but it is fairly priced. Okay, so come down, check it out, take a test drive, and thanks for watching the video.